Hi, my name is Shivani Karharkar, and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Mystique Studio of Arts and to our performance series Befriending the Bard, a series where we present brilliant works of William Shakespeare. For past 2 weeks, we have been looking at Merchant of Venice and its beautiful monologues, first by Portia, then by Shylock, and we return to Portia. But before that, there are so many Shakespearean quotes that we don't even know are by Shakespeare. Would you like a few examples? A rose by any other name would smell just as sweet. A phrase we use so many times in so many circumstances. It is from the play Romeo and Juliet when Juliet is lamenting the fact that they both belong to warring families. Another quote we frequently use is all world's a stage from As You Like It. Haven't we often heard, the lady doth protest too much methinks, a sentence from Hamlet. Even some day-to-day pieces like In a Pickle or What a Tangled Web We Weave, The World is Your Oyster, these phrases come from various plays by William Shakespeare. This is just to reiterate the fact that I love the piece Quality of Mercy in Merchant of Venice by Portia. But the circumstances of the piece are something I do not agree with. We have Portia explaining to Shylock about the importance of mercy, the beauty of mercy. But when it comes to Shylock, they don't have any mercy. So leaving the circumstances of the play aside, I hope you can enjoy this speech by Portia just for the sake of that speech, which is truly beautiful, truly enjoyable, and truly something so profound that a life can be lived by it. Today's performance is also a reading and not a memorized performance. We hope you like our videos. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for some really interesting videos. Presenting to you Quality of Mercy by Portia from Merchant of Venice. Of a strange nature is the suit that you follow, yet in such a rule that the Venetian law cannot impugn you as you do proceed. Yet, noble Jew, you must have mercy. The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth like gentle rain from heavens upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives, and him that takes. It is the mightiest in the mightiest. It becomes a throned monarch better than his crown. His scepter shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of the kings. But mercy? Mercy is above the sceptred sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of the kings. It is an attribute to God himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. Therefore, Jew, though justice be thy plea, consider this, that in the course of justice, none of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. I have spoke thus much to mitigate the justice of thy plea, which if thou follow, the strict court of Venice must needs give sentence against this merchant here. Therefore, Jew, consider